So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to get a voided check from Wells Fargo online. So first, you need to open your phone and make sure that you click your web browser. In this case, I'm using Safari. So after that, you need to utilize your search bar for you to be able to search for the Wells Fargo online. So after that, you'll redirect to this page wherein you just have to click on the first URL that comes in. Once you click on that one, you will see on the top right corner of your screen is the menu section, which is represented by the three lines. Once you click on that one, click under the customer service and frequently asked questions. Once you click on that one, you will redirect to their customer service page, which is actually you could get their information if you have a problem on checking savings, banking, mobile features, investment, and such. So you just have to scroll it down until you see the Fargo, which is the Wells Fargo's virtual assistant in their mobile application. So you could actually talk to their virtual assistant, but if you wanted to talk to their customer support or representative, just scroll it down until you see a find a Wells Fargo nearest bank or ATM branches on your location. Or also you could make an appointment with them or just call them via phone number. Just click on the call us, which is the highlighted, and after that, customer support or a representative from Wells Fargo will be assisted or will be assisting you to get a voided check from them. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.